To change the default search engine used on your Chromebook, open Chrome. In the search bar, enter Chrome // settings / search. Or select the three dots in the right corner, locate and select Settings, then on the left side of the settings, locate and select Search Engine. Here you'll see your current default search engine. Select Change, choose a search engine, then select Set as default. If you want to use a search engine not listed, select Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down and locate the list of site search shortcuts. Select Add and enter the information for the search engine you want to use. Once added, locate inactive shortcuts and activate the added search engine. When activated, you will see two versions of the website listed under Site Search. Select the three dots on the version that shows the URL, then select Make Default. The website will now show up under the Search Engine section and be set as the default search engine.